Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys a really nice 5 packet cut that I call the Penta cut because it has 5 packets obviously, and it has a really nice feel to it because when you do it you look really good, and it's like a thing that you would do after the 4 packet flourish, and I taught this 4 packet flourish in the channel before. You can check that out in the description box down below. And now without further ado, let's get into the 5 packet cut. So guys, let me do the over the shoulder view of this tutorial. So here's how you do the move. So first of all, hold the cards in straddle grip like so. Then get into the Z formation that looks something like this. Okay. So this will happen in 1/5 motion. You break off the card from your thumb and then to the middle finger. And I hope you may know this because it's really simple to do. And now, once you are here, you're going to take the top packet, which I'm shaking right now, and you just spin it, just swing it around and just rest it along your pinky finger. And now you are here in this formation. Now, at this point, you're going to break off the cards from that you held around the pinky finger, like so. And then you extend everything. So this is the first part of the flourish, as you can see. Okay, so I'm gonna go over this first part once again really quick. So hold the cards in straddle grip, get into Z formation, rest the cards along the pinky finger, break off the cards along the pinky finger, then hold this packet right here, which I'm shaking right now with my thumb, and just hold it along your thumb and just extend everything like so. Then you come back and you rest the top packet along your thumb. So now you are here in the square type formation, as you can see. And from here you're gonna get into the 5 packet display. So now you are here in this 4 packet square type formation, as you can see. And now you're gonna work your way to the 5 packet formation. So first take the packet that I'm pointing right now here. Just break it off using your middle finger, like so. Then the packet which I'm pointing with my pinky finger over here, you're gonna hold that using your ring finger and thumb, like that. Okay, so now you can hold these 3 packets in the air. So it's really hard to show it from this angle, but I'm gonna try as hard as I can to explain it. You just experiment with some things and you'll get there eventually. So now once you are here, you're going to come over and you're gonna extend it like so. And the bottommost packet over here, you're gonna hold that again with the pinky finger. And now if you just let go, you can see you have a 5 packet formation that looks really dope. Alright guys, so here's a snap recap of this flourish. Get into the Z formation, come over here, rest the cards around your pinky, divide, extend, get into this worm type formation, get into the 4 packet display, divide it again, hold this with your ring finger, then again with your pinky finger, get into the 5 packet display. Then I'm going to show you how to end this. So you come over again and grab the bottommost packet like so. So you just come over and you grab that packet using your thumb like so, as you can see. Then you take this packet which I'm shaking right now, just hold it along your middle finger. So now you put these packets in the same hand. And then with the other hand do a scissor cut like so. It's really simple to do, just extend the cards using your index and thumb and cut the cards. And with this hand, just swivel this packet and then just put this packet on top. And that's how you do the 5 packet flourish. So guys, that was the Penta cut, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, then please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And if you had any problems with the flourish and you have some doubts, then please put that down in the comments below. And I will try as hard as I can to help you guys out. So for now, I'll say goodbye. Take care.